Hey guys, uh, this is Corey from Kicks and Travels, and I'm doing a unboxing of my new camera. It's basically the DJI Osmo Nano. I just got this from Amazon, purchased it a couple of days ago, and I just got it yesterday. So kind of want to show it, see what's in it, and let's jump in. Apparently, I got the 128 gig version. Um, There's usually a 64 gig, but I got the 128 gig. It gives you a little more storage space inside for the camera. Um, and let's open this up and see what this bad boy look like. Here, we open this one up. What we can see here, we got the camera itself, the little camera dongle right here. What's this? This seems to be the monitor. Let's open this up. It's always nice when you get these new products and everything. Makes you want to just jump around, go out and start vlogging, taking pictures, filming, doing video. So if I take this sticker out, voila. This look really small. It's like the size of your thumb. I like this. Here's the video dock right here. Looks awesome. I guess you just click these. It's like kind of magnetic. Then you have to hit these buttons on the side right here so it can click into space. Comes a bit charged up, about 39%. What else is on here? Your DJI card, sticker. Let's get that out. Okay. Have your information, booklet, starter guide. What is this? Oh, that's nice. Basically, you can use this, put this in your car. Has the mount for it, which is very nice. I like this. Okay. This is, I guess, the necklace that goes around your neck. Basically, I guess you could put that under your, around your neck, and then you can attach the phone like that. Wow, it's very strong, magnetic. Basically, doesn't fall off. Or you can take the vision dock off which is most likely what I'm going to do if I put this on. And you can click it on here. Or you can do it this way. It looks good. And what else? Get your little charging cable here. This seems to be the cage that the phone goes into. So I guess you click this off again. And you put it in here. Like so. And then clicks in. It's cool. Really nice. And I think this last piece right here, another mounting where you can mount another mount where you basically you could put this and slide it onto your hat, where you can go POV style. I think this is, you can rotate this as you like, depending on what view you have, how you're trying to view. This is cool. And it clicks on right here, right on top. And I guess you can use these same mount if you want to put in, say your Action 6, 5, 4, it's the same type of mount. So, this is cool. Alright, so then let's set this up. Let's turn on this bad boy and see what we got. So when we turn it on, we go to English. And let me get my phone so we can register this with the app, with the DJI app. Make sure you download the DJI app with this. Let me pull up that. Basically searching. Got Nano. Let's connect that. $6640, which is what we see here. Accept. Let's agree to this. Next. Basically, it's activating. Okay, X that out. And let's get started. Looks like there's a firmware trying to download, and it's downloading the firmware right now. Now I heard with the uh, Osmo Nano. Basically, there's been heating issues. Hopefully, with this firmware, we could, solve that problem of the overheating of the module. So, um, what it's saying right here, it's saying is what's new. Added support for playback when the camera is used separately from the vision dock. Oh, right, that's right. So I guess when you disassemble the camera itself to the vision dock, you'll be able to still use the vision dock to be able to see. So that's great. I like that. Um, Added support for live view on the vision dock when the camera is linked to the DJI mic transmitter. Yeah, I heard that this firmware doesn't really resolve that part, which I hope they look into that and basically add a firmware to fix that. But I don't see that. But we'll see. Let's install. Connect the Nano. Right now I'm filming on the Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, connection failed. Let's do this again. Not the Pocket 3, but the Nano. Let's join. Okay, it's installing. What else? It says added natural wide to the field of view. Um, Added horizon correction. It says added album password lock. I don't know if I'm going to use that per se, but that's good, gives you some type of security check, So I guess if you used to lose the camera itself, nobody can go into your album, these days what people can do, but that's good. Optimize camera power consumption and battery life. Yeah, I heard that's another thing. I heard about the battery on these things. It's not that very good, but basically what I'm going to be using this is basically for POV shots. You know, not going to go excessive with this, but we'll see. I'm going to use this in conjunction with my Osmo Pocket 3, as well as my Action 5 camera as well. Not Action 5, I mean Action 6. So yes. Takes a while. It's where 86, 89. But yeah. Tell me, this is basically my first time doing a channel right now on this. So okay, here we go. We got this. This looks good. This looks good. Press done. Says update success, which is good. We'll press done. Let's connect. Device name. Alright, I don't know why it's asking me to change the name, but yeah. So this is the camera itself. This is cool. Let me turn this off. So here you have it. This is the Osmo DJI Osmo Nano. Uh, Plan to use this, and we'll see how it goes. Um, Please like and subscribe to my channel. I definitely appreciate it. Uh, you know, I'm trying to come up with a lot of these vlogs to show you a lot of these things on capabilities of these cameras. Um, and if any comments or anything like that, please don't hesitate and just leave a comment and a like. I definitely appreciate it. And thank you, and hope you guys have a nice day. All right? See ya.